Jimdo Website Builder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Jimdo is a versatile website builder designed with small businesses, freelancers, and personal users in mind, focusing on simplicity and functionality. Its standout feature is its AI-driven website creation tool, Dolphin, which guides users through a few questions to generate a functional website in minutes. Jimdo also offers a traditional editor, allowing for more hands-on customization with drag-and-drop elements, although it's less flexible compared to competitors like Wix or Squarespace. Jimdo excels in ease of use and speed, making it ideal for beginners or users who need a quick, no-frills website. The platform provides integrated SEO tools, mobile optimization, e-commerce capabilities, and GDPR compliance, which is particularly beneficial for European users. However, Jimdo has its limitations. The design templates, while clean and professional, are somewhat limited in variety and depth, leaving advanced users craving more creative freedom. The e-commerce features are basic, suitable for small stores, but inadequate for larger-scale operations or complex inventory management. While the pricing is competitive, with free and affordable paid plans, advanced users may find the features lacking compared to higher-tier builders. In terms of strengths, Jimdo shines in its simplicity, affordability, and fast setup process. It's a solid option for users who prioritize functionality over flashy designs. On the other hand, its weaknesses lie in limited design customization, basic e-commerce, and a lack of advanced tools for scaling businesses. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or individual seeking an easy-to-use platform to establish an online presence, Jimdo is a great starting point. However, for those with more advanced needs or a desire for greater creative control, exploring alternatives might be worthwhile. In summary, Jimdo is a user-friendly website builder perfect for small-scale projects or beginners. Its AI tools, affordability, and essential features cater well to those who value speed and simplicity. For advanced customization and robust e-commerce, though, it falls short. Choose Jimdo if you want a straightforward solution without the complexity of more feature-rich platforms.